Yep, it's a video on replacing sway bar links. Working on my 2006 BMW 530i. Yep, this is not the all-wheel drive, the regular rear-wheel drive. But yeah, I hit a nasty pothole months ago, and this thing's been rattling, driving me crazy, as you can see. Oh, where is it? Oh snap, see? Just broke off. That's not good. That could have broke off a while ago. But yeah, that's what happened. But it was like constantly rattling. So yeah, that's how, yeah, you don't want that to happen. So if you see a little bit of play, yeah, it means it's time to replace those. But they're pretty easy to take off. Yeah, it's got a 5/8 nut right here, and then at the bottom, it's got another one. Yeah, take them off and then replace them with the new ones. What I see with the new ones, it's just the nuts are 17 millimeters, so that's the only difference. Oh yeah, pretty easy. Give yourself some good tools and oh yeah. Okay, yeah, just going messed up. My bad. Like I said, I already have the. Try to hit it with the torque, and it made the whole thing. Cause I think this one was bad too. It was about to break as well. Like I said, I hit a nasty pothole and messed up these sway bar links. It was a pretty easy. So we got an impact wrench, or I mean impact driver. Boom. There's one. So once you do that, take that bottom one off, and then you're golden. And let's see if I can take it off. I haven't tried it, but might be. Let's see. Man, that one's under good. But like I said, once you take it off, get it loose, you just put the same one back in. Make sure it's the right one. They come in pairs, so yeah. Make sure it matches this one. Well, you can. Well, you probably can. You'll put this one, and then the bottom piece will be poking this way. That means it's for the right. So this is the left one. Yeah, like I said, it's pretty quick video. Real easy to do. Sway bar links. Yeah, might as well change them. Like I said, they're probably factory. So it's got 112,000 miles. It's got everything's original on it. I've been changing parts here and there, but yeah, that's how to replace these sway bar links. Hopefully it helps somebody. All right.